Do you feel the vibes?
The Vantage deploys its impressive power and torque to the rear wheels via rear-mounted ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. Capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds and onto a maximum speed of 195 mph, it employs a sophisticated suite of integrated electronic systems to offer maximum control and driver enjoyment. These include dynamic stability control and dynamic torque vectoring. The speed-dependent electric power steering has 2.4 turns lock-to-lock for an outstanding combination of responsiveness and precise, intuitive control. For the first time on an Aston Martin, the new Vantage also features an electronic rear differential, EDIF. This differential is linked to the car's electronic stability control system, so it can understand the car's behavior, and react accordingly to direct the engine's power to the relevant wheel. Unlike a conventional LSD, it can go from fully open to 100% locked in a matter of milliseconds. At higher speeds, the electronic differential speed and sensitivity of response enables the system to take very fine control of the car's dynamic behavior. It makes the car feel much more composed both in terms of its straight-line stability and its cornering performance, providing the driver with increased levels of confidence to explore and enjoy the car's capabilities to the full. The chassis is an evolution of the latest generation bonded aluminium structure first seen on the DB11, though some 70% of the structure's components are new for Vantage. Balance, strength, rigidity and weight efficiency were all priorities in the new Vantage design, as was handling purity and consistency. Highlights of the chassis included a solidly mounted rear subframe for an enhanced feeling of direct connection for the driver, new Pirelli P0 tires developed specifically for new Aston Martin Vantage, and the latest generation adaptive damping system which incorporates Skyhook technology and offers the choice of Sport, Sport Plus and Track modes.